So, another recipe from Dirty Lazy Keto Cookbook this time. And I marked it, but I can't find it. Where is it? Come on, where's there? There we go. It's Muffin Top Tuna Pops. Here's the recipe. Here's the nutritional info for anybody who wants to see it. Put down so it's in focus. There you go. Okay. So, let's get started. I'll preheat the oven to 350. Now I need a 5-ounce can of tuna and water drained. And I recheck this. I like it to be flaked into smaller pieces. This already is. I need 3/4 cup of pepper jack cheese. Oh, it's supposed to be shredded. There we go. Get out of there. And 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese. There we go. Okay, next. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It sticks to the bowl. Now, this is Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of it. Now, the original recipe called for parsley. I didn't have it, and I used oregano. That worked good. So let's see how it works this time with the Italian seasoning. And now I need 1/4 cup of sour cream. Calls for full fat. I'm using regular. I don't know if that's full fat. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. 1/4 cup of chopped yellow onion. This is frozen because I forgot it needed it. 2 eggs. Looks like a piece of shell went in there. I don't see it. Now just to mix it all together. I like mixing it once it's mixed together. To me, it always looks like tuna salad. Said you wouldn't want to eat it since it's got 2 raw eggs in it. Yeah, peel the eggs out of it this way. Now I just need to thoroughly spray 6 muffin tins and scoop them in. And this mixture is more watery than the first time I made it. Might be the frozen onion. This frozen onion tends to be really watery. I'm just trying to get it even. Into the oven it goes for 25 minutes. And you can see that I oversprayed the tins, the oil came out. Now just loosen these up. You can see how well I sprayed them, they're turning easily. See how they taste. And they're more fishy than the first time. I think that's a brand of tuna. But I like the oregano better. Now I store them in an airtight container in the fridge. And just 30 seconds in the microwave is enough to reheat these. I really recommend this. It's a good recipe. Thanks for watching, everybody.